Welcome back, I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash. Today we're going to make this great looking pencil box out of pencils. Tasmanian myrtle and with American walnut feet, splines and topper. To do is to get some of the myrtle and the pine in the crowns, but they have to be wider than what they are now. I've cut the box and I've put a groove in for the bottom. We're using 6mm ply on the bottom, but it has to glue to the pine that holds the pencils. And it's got to be up at least 32mm from the bottom. But we're going to plane the pine down to about 30mm. So I want it to be up underneath by about 2mm. There it is. Yeah, come out good. And I've also machined the pine plug that goes. I've put the splines in the box. We're just waiting for them to dry. And I've cut the bottom out of myrtle. Just cut the walnut feet. We're going to have a foot in each corner, an angle piece sticking out about 5mm or 1/4 inch past the corner. We're going to put 4 dowels to hold this whole thing together. Bit of a tricky way to do things, but I've just let it dry there. I've pinned the feet on it, you see, and I've sanded the splines. They've come out good, so it's coming out quite good. The box. Now we're going to cut the lid and hinge the lid. It's coming on good now. I've hinged the lid. See how it just stays over by itself. Perfect. And I'm making a handle, a top for it. Not so much a handle, but I'm making it out of a rubber. So I've got pencils on the bottom, and rubber on the top. Comes the fun part, putting the pencils in. Finished. How is that? How is this for a spectacular box? Like it all? It happens? Comes out great, doesn't it? Lid stays open by itself. It's just, it really works. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this short version of how to make this box. Check out YouTube for the full version of how to make this box. Step by step, it's easy, have a go. Subscribe, ring the bell, because I'm only a new channel and I need all the subscribers that I can get. And you learn how to make boxes like this, and that's a good thing.